Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove your dental mold from your tray in impression. Most people break this very easily. So you're going to need a carving knife and also a dental carving tool and your molds. So the first thing we need to do is remove all of the excess off of the mold. We're going to get rid of all of the orange and some of the blue that's hanging over. So very gently break off some of the excess parts from the die stone.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So now we want to remove the excess orange from the putty. Some of it is oozing out, and we need to remove that in order for us to get the complete mold off of the tray.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So you can see that I removed all the excess that was oozing out into the tray. So now we need to remove it from the tray completely.
Music licensing reimagined.
So now that we successfully removed it from the tray, now we must remove the die stone from the impression. One option is to use our carving knife, but we really don't have to use this unless it's really hard to remove it off. So you'll make a slit in the middle and another slit on both sides, and you'll pull down each one of these pieces that you put a cut in, and you can move it directly out. But we're not going to do that today.
Artlist.io.
Instead, we're going to pull down on the impression and then pull the dental die stone directly out. And what we want to do is remove it by loosening up all ends of the impression so that the die stone can move freely. And then you can see that most parts
Music
are loose.
licensing reimagined.
Then we can pry it completely out without breaking it. And voila, we successfully removed and safely removed the die stone from the model.
Artlist.io.
And it looks in great condition, no chips or anything. The good thing is we can still use the mold. All we have to do is insert it back into the tray for reusing if needed. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found that this video helped you, please comment below and let us know how did it work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also go to the website, Grillzuniversity.com.
Artlist.io